This is Stephen, and let's jump into this sentence. Although much of the worst pollution has been blanked in the United States, traces of many toxic chemicals still blank. So the word traces means small amount. So a small amount of many toxic chemicals still something. So it's probably still exist or are here. And then the first part, the although, indicates that there's going to be a change between this blank and this blank. So if we decided that this blank means here or exist, this blank needs to be something like gone or eliminated, something like that. So let's look at our answer choices. So A, discussed. So although much of the worst pollution has been discussed in the United States, traces of many toxic chemicals still escape. So this just doesn't make any sense. You're not going to be, we're talking about how much or the quantity of the pollution in the United States is still around. So discussed is not what this sentence is referring to. Answer choice B, which is actually our correct answer, although much of the worst pollution has been eliminated in the United States, gone, traces of the many toxic chemicals still persist. And persist means to continue on. So thankfully, this is the one that is our answer, but let's go ahead and take a look at the rest, where C, exaggerated. Exaggerated is a lot like the first answer choice with discussed. Although much of the worst pollution has been exaggerated in the United States, traces of many toxic chemicals still remain. We're talking about a small amount, so exaggerated means that we're kind of saying that the pollution is, like the amount of pollution is just over the top. But if we're talking about traces in the second half, that doesn't really make any sense with the exaggerated part, so we can knock that one out. And then the last one, although much of the worst pollution has been foreseen in the United States, traces of many toxic chemicals still arise. So if it's foreseen, why would we still have chemicals showing up? Because we see this happening. We can easily stop it before it occurs. So we can knock out D for that reason. So our only possible solution is B, eliminated and persist.